Hey friends, Emma here. I'm so excited you all have been loving Tightrope, and I wanted you all to hear a little bit about the beautiful album art from the artist herself, Jennifer.
Hey, Emma, what a treat and an honor to take your beautiful song and put it into a painting. And that really inspired me in this painting. There are a lot of lines I love. You start by talking about the tightrope is thin and precarious, and then you go on to say that we were made for more than balancing a line. I love that. I think we can all relate to that. And then you talk about the ocean of grace, receiving that and the freedom in that when we let go and stop clinging to that tightrope. So, yeah.
If you all want to hear more about that painting, I have a longer video with Jennifer talking about all of the details of this beautiful painting on my YouTube channel. But until then, keep streaming Tightrope, and we'll see you next month, where you will see another one of Jennifer's paintings.